Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open a terminal, run sudo apt update, then sudo apt install git y. This installs Git. Once done, set your identity with git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example.com so commits link to you. Make a project folder or CD into an existing repo directory. Initialize with Git init if needed. These steps let you track changes immediately and avoid identity errors. Now you move into the core workflow: cloning, staging, and committing. If a remote exists, use git clone followed by the repo URL, otherwise use git init to create local history. Edit files, then stage them with git add file 1 or git add. To include everything, this prepares snapshots. Commit your staged work with git commit m descriptive message. This records a save point. Make sure to write clear messages so later you and teammates understand why changes happened. Finish by syncing with remotes and handling common errors. To upload commits, use git push origin branch name. The first time, use setup stream origin branch name to link the branch. Before you start new work, run git pull origin branch name to incorporate teammates' changes. If you hit merge conflicts, check git status to find trouble files, open them, resolve conflicts manually, then git add and git commit. Tip: if history is messy, make a backup branch before rebasing or complex fixes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.